Bought this hammock for camping, and I figured out that you can stow the thing in its pocket. So let's go ahead and pull it out to show you how easy that is. And this one is a nice hammock. It's got lots of cool features. So first off, it has this little pouch, and that's where I just packed it into. If we take a look at the ends, they come with a nice carabiner, and they cinch up. So it's like a parachute material, very lightweight nylon, and it cinches up to this nylon pull through. And now you have one connection point, so very easy to connect this one. And as you can see, when you open it up, we've got the hammock itself with its attachment points on both sides, and it's got its mosquito net. So I like to keep it unzipped. When it's zipped together, there's these lines so that you have some rigidity, and it keeps the mosquito netting from bunching up on you. And that zipper comes from both sides. Really nice hammock. Hope this helps.